Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Benjamin, and by the end of this video you're going to learn how to insert different types of page numbers in specific pages of your document. For example, I have my document in this and we only use it for learning. So the first things you have to do is you have to make sure you break your document into specific areas that you want to show the pages. How do you break those documents? You just have to go straight to layout, and you see the breaks are here, and you go to next page. But now let's specify from my document here which parts do I want to break. For example, I want this should be the first part. I will call it preliminary pages. I want them to have like Roman numerals, and the others should have page numbers like 1, 2, 3 up to where it ends. So now I'm going to break from the table of contents. So this is my area of breaking. This table of contents should not have any page number. So how do we do that? For example, let's first check out. Let's insert pages and see that is it already broken. Let me use these top ones. That is it. Sorry, this one is hidden a bit. Allow me to slightly extend. Yes, you can see one, it goes up to where? Let me check the last table of contents. You see, even in table of contents, there is number 7 and it continues. Yet I want one should start from here, and this shouldn't have, and this should be the last page of preliminary, and this should have Roman numeral, not figures like this. Now, how do we do about this? Let's first remove these page numbers. Okay, now listen carefully. You go to page layouts and breaks, and you come to this. So I go to my where I want to break from. For you, you know where you want to break yours from. This is where I want to break mine from. So for me to break this out from the others, I'll go back to the previous page and click somewhere below it, like for example maybe here. Then I come here and I say breaks next page. Mark this well, next page. See, it has broken this to a different part, but also I want to break it from the downer content. Still, I'll come here maybe, or I can come just behind this letter of the first word of the other page. I still come back to layouts and breaks, then I click next page. So this also has been broken. For you to check this, if it has really been done, you should be able to see the section breaks for next page. How do you see that? Go back home and click these formatting marks. This thing shows you the marks on your page, how you formatted documents. You click on it and be able to see. So we wanted to break. You see, can see here there is a page break, which is normal for every document if you add a new page. But then what we need is the section break. So this has been broken. Also, this is what we need to be broken. And again, it's broken from here. So even down is broken. You might need to break yours in several pages or several sections, but I'm only breaking it 3 times. Now we are done with the page breaks. Let's go to insert our pages in a different way. Let me remove this because it also disorganizes a document. Then now, obviously, you know, you can go to insert, then say page numbers, and maybe I want to put them on top here. Still, I want to use the top. So you can see it still comes the very way it was previously. Even up to here, it still shows the page number and 7. Yet I said I need this to show Roman numerals. So what do? We come down where it starts from, where 1 should start from. We come to this. You can see this. I will double click on it. Then imagine this. After you double clicked on this, it brings for you this menu under design, linked previous. You make sure you uncheck this. See, I've removed it's not linked again. Now I can go to insert page numbers, then you come down to format page numbers. You make sure you say start from 1, then you click OK. So if you look at this now, it goes like that. It starts from 1, 2 up to the end of the documents. But if you move back, even the other ones still have the same, but also the only thing we can see now here, it's broken. But now we want to make sure this should not have, and the other should start from use Roman numerals. How do we do that? Now we shall come back to this and say this, check this area, and we go back to page numbers and we say format. Remember this, we want them to show Roman numerals. You come and change this to Roman numerals and say start at, it automatically brings Roman 1. You click OK. So this has been converted. You can see this, it is converted. So it is now moving up to 5. And you can see our table of contents still has. How do we do this? You have to double click somewhere in your table of contents first to go back. Then you come and double click on this number again so that we see this area which says links to previous. You click, make sure it's not linked. Click on it and go back to this, insert page numbers and remove page numbers. Click on it. So when you remove, you can double click in your document and you see it doesn't have now. But if you look at these ones, all these ones have the page numbers. You can see this one uses time Roman numerals, and if you move below the table of contents, this one starts from 1. So that is what you need to do. Thank you very much for watching, and the next video I will be uploading is how to insert table of contents, how to insert reference, table list of figures. So it's a very important thing that you must know. So if you don't subscribe, you may not be able to get. So you can support me, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and bye.